In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and optimize your projects between Lovable AI and the Cursor platform. This is a step-by-step guide designed to help you elevate your AI projects with advanced editing tools and AI-assisted development. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log in to both the Lovable AI and Cursor platforms. If you don't have accounts yet, head over to their websites and create ones. It's a straightforward process that requires just a few details. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the full suite of tools each platform provides. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to exporting your project code from Lovable AI. Navigate to your project dashboard. Here, you should find an option to export your project files. This will likely download it as a .zip file which contains all the necessary code and assets you'll need for the next steps. Make sure you save this file somewhere convenient on your computer so that you can easily access it later. The next step involves importing or opening your exported Lovable AI project in Cursor. Begin by starting up your Cursor application or accessing it through your web browser. Once you're on the platform, look for an option to upload or import files. Select your previously downloaded project file from Lovable AI. Cursor is designed to support various file types and will parse through your project code, readying it for editing. Once your project is open in Cursor, the magic can truly begin. Cursor offers a variety of AI features that can help enhance or fine-tune your project. Take a moment to explore these features. You can leverage tools like automated code suggestions, syntax highlighting, and error checking to refine your work. Perhaps there are portions of your code that could benefit from a little optimization. Use Cursor's AI assistance to make your code more efficient, and think about how you can enhance functionalities using these advanced features. After you've made the necessary adjustments, it's important to save your progress. Cursor typically has an automatic save feature, but it's always good practice to manually save your work as well, just to be safe. At this point, if your Lovable AI project is ready for another round of deployment, you can go ahead and redeploy. Follow your usual deployment process, ensuring everything is in order, from functionality checks to any user interface tweaks you might have implemented. Congratulations! You've now optimized your project using both Lovable AI and Cursor's powerful platforms. This approach not only enhances your project, but also streamlines your development process, allowing you to explore more creative possibilities in your AI builds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.